How to clean the suction cap. First, we start by pressing the maintenance button, cleaning the maintenance parts, suction cap, and start. We do have a how-to document, so if you follow that sequence, open the cover. Here we're going to take some cleaning solution and put it into the container. I take my cleaning swab, I dip it in. I'm also pushing it against the side here a little bit just to kind of make sure I don't have any excess liquid that would drip. With the nylon tweezers, we want to make sure that there is no extra ink going around as a buildup around this rubber gasket. You may find that after a period of time that ink will build up. The nylon tweezers are designed to help pull that out. Make sure that you do not use the metal tweezers for it because the metal tweezers may cut the rubber gasket. You might find it easier to use the nylon tweezers to carefully pull the plunger back and clean the area shown. Use a larger swab to clean around the capping station. Make sure that we don't have any dirt buildup. Also, from its side, make sure that the top also is cleaned off. You might find that it requires more than one swab to clean. Once the sequence is finished, you will click on the close button and done.